Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we'll show you how to replace the rear motor on the EMOVE Cruiser S. For these tasks, you'll need a 3 and 5mm hex key and a 21mm wrench. Power off the scooter, and using a 5mm hex key, remove the 2 screws on the brake caliper. Slide the caliper off the rotor and place it to the side. On the opposite side of the wheel, disconnect the motor cable. Next, loosen the motor nuts on both sides of the wheel with a 21mm wrench to release the wheel from the swing arms. Remove the nuts, motor hooks, and washers and set to the side. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 6 screws securing the brake rotor in place. Remove the rotor and plate and set all parts to the side. With your new motor, start by reinstalling the components on the brake side of the wheel. First, put on the small black plate. Next, put on the brake rotor, lining up the holes with the plate in the motor. With a 3mm hex key, reinstall the 6 screws. Reinstall the washers on either side of the wheel. With the brake rotor on the left side of the scooter, install the wheel into the swing arms. Secure it with the motor hook, placing the hook in the lip on the swing arm and hand tightening the nut in place. Use a 21mm wrench to tighten the nuts on both sides of the wheel. Reconnect the motor cable. Lastly, with a 5mm hex key, replace the screws and secure the brake caliper in place. Power on the scooter and test the throttle to ensure the new motor functions properly. And that's it! If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your customer support team at VoroMotors.com. Have any tutorials you'd like to see? Make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Until then, safe riding.